What are you guys doing?
Well, we're finding out our vacation, where we're staying on vacation, and we have to look up the price, and we have to figure out how much it's gonna cost for each night when we have to stay for 7 nights.
So you choose a vacation place with your partner?
Yes.
Okay, Kendall, where did you guys choose to stay?
We stand to
Casa. Mexico.
So you're going to Mexico. You had to decide where you're going and then how much it cost.
yes.
So Nathan, how much does it cost?
It costs $436
$436 for
1 night.
1 night.
Are you sure?
Wow.
Observe what you see. Is that 1 night?
Observe the price.
How many nights is that?
4 nights.
It's for 4
nights.
nights. So $436 for 4 nights.
We've marked it off on our calendar.
So you marked it off on your calendars. So we're doing some calendar reading.
See?
Amazing.
Marked it off. We
Okay.
compared the dates to our calendar to make sure that we could go.
Okay. All right. What about you guys? Where did you decide to go?
Thailand.
Going to Thailand. And do you have a price?
Yeah, we do.
And what is your price?
$59.
$59 per night.
Yes.
They got a very good deal.
So how many nights are you going?
A week.
How
So
many?
that's how many days?
7.
7. And it's $59 a night.
Yes.
So estimate me a total of about how much it's going to cost for 1 week.
$400.
About $400. Nice. Going to Thailand and going to
We're going to Mexico.
Mexico. What a great activity.
What else do you have to figure out? Not just how much your hotel's going to cost. But
How
you
much for gas,
Gas,
food,
and
and groceries?
yeah, groceries.
How are you going to get there?
Money
By
for
plane.
So we got to figure out also our
Plane.
So you guys have an awesome, rigorous activity here. Calculating, estimating, comparing, finding totals for your all-inclusive trip with hotel, travel, food. I'm impressed. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave bye. Awesome.